Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rafi and my friend is Sultan Faidh Kamal. We are from Group 10 and we are going to a presentation about characteristic of architecture. So the first is about background. Architecture is a framework and set of guidelines to build new systems. IT architecture is a series of principles, guidelines, or rules used by an enterprise to direct the process of acquiring, building, modifying, and interfacing IT resources throughout the enterprise. These resources can include equipment software, communication, development, methodologies, modeling tools, and organizational structure. The basic theory. Characteristic of SOA or service oriented architecture. Objects and component service represent building blocks that allow users to organize information in ways that are familiar to them. These building blocks combine information about user and their behavior in a seamless fashion to represent a relatively simple interface. A surface is commonly characterized by these four properties. First, it logically represents a business activity with a specified outcome. Second, it's self-contained. Third, it's a black box for its customer. Fourth, it may consist of other underlying services. Characteristic of ERP modular design. The modular design of an ERP system incorporates distinct business modules such as manufacturing, financial, accounting, and distribution. Each modules take care of various functions of a particular section or department within your organization. Second, central common database. Implementing a common centralized database management system, which is also called a DBMS, is an important characteristic of an advantageous ERP system. All data is entered and stored only once and then utilized by all departments simultaneously. Flexible and open database. Organizations are almost always dynamic in nature, which is where ERP systems offer flexibility to respond to the changing needs of enterprise. Fourth, automatic generation of information. An ERP system provides business intelligence tools such as executive information system, decision support system, easy warning system, and more. And this section will be continued by Sultan.
Problem analysis. Difference between SOA and ERP. SOA is a tool that is transparent to system users. ERP is an architecture linking multiple functions together. Comparing the two is like comparing a house with a hammer. One is used to build the other, but you can't live in a hammer. You can't assume a hammer was used because there are other tools such as nail guns. SOA is subset of ERP, having a core functionality of reusability. On the other hand, ERP is more like connecting the functionalities themselves, like payroll, absence management, finance, etc., etc. Conclusion: if your business takes a short time, has sensitive data, and you need accurate information, then use ERP because ERP is uh, because ERP uses a real-time database system, eliminates unnecessary programs, and has very good performances. But ERP requires a very expensive fee, and your business will not necessarily be good. If you want a program that easy to maintain and has minimal risk, then use SOA because SOA has less risk than ERP. However, SOA servers use high bandwidth so that it can affect system usage. Suggestion. After learning, SOA is more profitable and safer to use because SOA costs are not as expensive as ERP costs, and of course their performance is not as good as ERP because each system has its own advantages and disadvantages. Thank you for your attention. Uh, there is all there is all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.